Cables to connect when mounting TV on wall.
Firstly, I have this HDMI wire. I'm going to plug it here on the HDMI slot. This is a LAN wire for my internet connection. So make sure you know where to plug it and plug it properly onto the slot. There you go. Next, this is the power cable. So find where you should plug it in. And yeah, I found it. So plug it in, make sure it's tight so that it doesn't come off. And there you go, you're done. The remote control for the TV, it's LG 55-inch smart TV. So I'm gonna try switching it on. And in a few seconds, you have your TV ready to be watched. I'll just change. And yeah, this remote control has a mouse function. So you're done.